Greetings, and welcome to the General Knowledge Quiz, Part 5. Are you ready? Let's get started. Which country is famous for the Acropolis? A. Greece, B. Egypt, C. France, and D. China. The correct answer is A. Greece. The Acropolis is located in Greece, specifically in Athens, and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site featuring iconic structures like the Parthenon. Who wrote the play Hamlet? A. William Shakespeare, B. Samuel Beckett, C. Tennessee Williams, and D. Arthur Miller. The correct answer is A. William Shakespeare. The play Hamlet was written by William Shakespeare and is considered one of his most celebrated works, exploring themes of revenge, madness, and existentialism. What is the capital city of South Korea? A. Seoul, B. Busan, C. Incheon, and D. Daegu. The correct answer is A. Seoul. Seoul is the capital city of South Korea and is a bustling metropolis known for its modern architecture, vibrant culture, and technological advancements. Which country is famous for the pyramids of Egypt? A. Egypt, B. Greece, C. Italy, and D. Turkey. The correct answer is A. Egypt. The pyramids of Egypt, including the Great Pyramid of Giza, are iconic structures located in Egypt and are among the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Who is the author of the play Macbeth? A. William Shakespeare, B. Oscar Wilde, C. Anton Chekhov, and D. Henrik Ibsen. The correct answer is A. William Shakespeare. The play Macbeth was written by William Shakespeare and is a tragedy that explores themes of ambition, power, and the consequences of unchecked desires. Which country is famous for the Great Barrier Reef? A. Australia, B. Brazil, C. Mexico, and D. South Africa. The correct answer is A. Australia. The Great Barrier Reef is a vast coral reef system located off the coast of Australia and is one of the world's most famous natural wonders. Who is the author of the novel Alice's Adventures in Wonderland? A. Lewis Carroll, B. J.R.R. Tolkien, C. C.S. Lewis, and D. Roald Dahl. The correct answer is A. Lewis Carroll. Alice's Adventures in Wonderland was written by Lewis Carroll and is a beloved children's book filled with whimsy and imagination. Who is the author of the novel The Old Man and the Sea? A. Ernest Hemingway, B. F. Scott Fitzgerald, C. Mark Twain, and D. John Steinbeck. The correct answer is A. Ernest Hemingway. The novel The Old Man and the Sea was written by Ernest Hemingway and tells the story of an old fisherman's struggle against nature and his own inner battles. Which country is famous for the Leaning Tower of Pisa? A. Italy, B. Spain, C. Greece, and D. France. The correct answer is A. Italy. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is located in Italy and is renowned for its distinctive tilt, making it a popular tourist attraction. Which country is famous for the Alamo? A. United States, B. Mexico, C. Spain, and D. Canada. The correct answer is A. United States. The Alamo is a historic mission located in San Antonio, Texas, United States, and is associated with the Texas Revolution and the Battle of the Alamo. Who is the author of the novel Moby Dick? A. Herman Melville, B. Mark Twain, C. F. Scott Fitzgerald, and D. Nathaniel Hawthorne. The correct answer is A. Herman Melville. The novel Moby Dick was written by Herman Melville and tells the story of Captain Ahab's obsessive pursuit of the white whale. Who is the author of the novel Frankenstein? A. Mary Shelley, B. Jane Austen, C. Charlotte Bronte, and D. Emily Bronte. The correct answer is A. Mary Shelley. The novel Frankenstein was written by Mary Shelley and is a seminal work of Gothic literature, exploring themes of science, creation, and the consequences of ambition. Which country is famous for the Forbidden City? A. China, B. Japan, C. India, and D. Thailand. The correct answer is A. China. The Forbidden City is located in China, specifically in Beijing, and was the imperial palace during the Ming and Qing dynasties, serving as the political and ceremonial center of the Chinese Empire. Who is the author of the novel The Hunger Games? A. Suzanne Collins, B. J.K. Rowling, C. Veronica Roth, and D. Stephanie Meyer. The correct answer is A. Suzanne Collins. The novel The Hunger Games was written by Suzanne Collins and is a dystopian series set in a post-apocalyptic world where teenagers are forced to participate in a televised fight to the death. Which of the following is a natural disaster characterized by shaking of the Earth's crust? A. Earthquake, B. Tornado, C. Hurricane, and D. Volcano. The correct answer is A. Earthquake. An earthquake is a natural disaster caused by the sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust, resulting in shaking, ground displacement, and sometimes tsunamis. What is the process of a solid turning into a liquid called? A. Melting, B. Freezing, C. Evaporation, and D. Sublimation. The correct answer is A. Melting. Melting is the process of a solid substance changing into a liquid state due to an increase in temperature, such as ice melting into water. Which of the following is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Jupiter, B. Earth, C. Saturn, and D. Mars. The correct answer is A. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, known for its size, colorful bands, and numerous moons. What is the process of a seed being carried away and dispersed by wind or animals called? A. Seed dispersal, B. Germination, C. Pollination, and D. Reproduction. The correct answer is A. Seed dispersal. Seed dispersal is the process by which seeds are carried away from the parent plant to new locations by wind, water, animals, or other means, facilitating the growth of new plants. Which of the following is a natural source of energy that comes from the sun? A. Solar energy, B. Geothermal energy, C. Fossil fuels, and D. Nuclear energy. The correct answer is A. Solar energy. Solar energy is a natural source of energy that comes from the sun and can be harnessed to generate electricity or heat water using solar panels or solar thermal systems. Which artist released the song Hotel California? A. Eagles, B. Fleetwood Mac, C. Led Zeppelin, and D. Pink Floyd. The correct answer is A. Eagles. Hotel California is a popular song by the Eagles, released in 1977. It has become one of their signature songs. Who released the album Born to Run in 1975? A. Bruce Springsteen, B. Bob Dylan, C. Neil Young, and D. Elton John. The correct answer is A. Bruce Springsteen. Bruce Springsteen released the album Born to Run in 1975. It is considered one of the greatest rock albums of all time. Which artist released the song Smells Like Teen Spirit? A. Nirvana, B. Pearl Jam, C. Soundgarden, and D. Alice in Chains. The correct answer is A. Nirvana. Smells Like Teen Spirit is a famous song by Nirvana, released in 1991. It is considered one of the defining songs of the grunge genre. Who is known for the hit song Purple Rain? A. Prince, B. Michael Jackson, C. Stevie Wonder, and D. David Bowie. The correct answer is A. Prince. Purple Rain is a famous song by Prince, released in 1984. It is one of his most popular and enduring songs. Which artist released the album Back in Black in 1980? A. AC/DC, B. Guns N' Roses, C. Metallica, and D. Iron Maiden. The correct answer is A. AC/DC. AC/DC released the album Back in Black in 1980. It is one of the best-selling albums of all time and features hits like Hell's Bells and You Shook Me All Night Long. Who is the lead singer of the band Nirvana? A. Kurt Cobain, B. Eddie Vedder, C. Chris Cornell, and D. Lane Staley. The correct answer is A. Kurt Cobain. Kurt Cobain was the lead singer and guitarist of the band Nirvana. He was a key figure in the grunge movement of the early 1990s. Which planet is known as the morning star or evening star? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, and D. Saturn. The correct answer is A. Venus. Venus is known as the morning star or evening star because it is visible in the sky during those times. What is the process of changing from a solid to a liquid called? A. Freezing, B. Evaporation, C. Condensation, and D. Melting. The correct answer is D. Melting. Melting is the process of changing from a solid to a liquid state. Which animal has the ability to regenerate its lost tail? A. Dog, B. Cat, C. Lizard, and D. Elephant. The correct answer is C. Lizard. Some species of lizards have the ability to regenerate their lost tails. Which force holds objects to the Earth's surface? A. Gravity, B. Magnetism, C. Friction, and D. Tension. The correct answer is A. Gravity. Gravity is the force that holds objects to the Earth's surface. What is the process by which plants make their own food called? A. Respiration, B. Digestion, C. Photosynthesis, and D. Circulation. The correct answer is C. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide.